Hey everyone, this is Ed Kiefer again, bringing you another Luxe highlight. It is the third day of our event near the Florida Supershow, and I'm just going to give you a little scan around here. We're going to be out here one more day. Saturday, we'll be here the whole day Saturday. If you want to come out and visit us, have a nice relaxed atmosphere. I'm taking a look at our units out there. I'm going to swing around here. We've got a beautiful place that we're staying at down here, and we're welcoming people inside. I'm going to take just a little quick tour inside, and we'll have breakfast here. We've got lunch here. If you stay long enough, we're going to have dessert for you. So I'm just going to take you a little bit. This is just a beautiful place here. That's where we're serving the food. So we come around here. We've got beautiful pool and hot tub area out there. Behind there's a secret garden. There's Deb working with some people. So you come in here, and this is where we have our decor room. This is where you select all your decor. Now I'm going to take you out here and give you just a glimpse of that secret garden area. So I'll take you right out here. Got a beautiful big farm next door with some cattle. Right back here is the secret garden. Swing around here, there's the pool area with the hot tub in it. So if you want, bring your swimsuits, jump right in. It's going to be a really nice warm day tomorrow. Going to go right back here to the secret garden area. So if you want to take a stroll back to the secret garden, this is what you'll see. I'm not going to go into the secret garden because it's a secret. You'll have to come here and take a look at it yourself. But hey, let us know if you'd like to come down or just stop by if you're in the area, if you're at the RV show and you want to take a look at our luxury fifth wheels, or you can give us a call. We'd be glad to take care of you. And I'll post the phone number out there along with this video. So hey, we'd be glad to have you. Grab a bite to eat, talk to some of our factory reps, ask some questions about our unit. We've got the front living area. We've got the beautiful toy hauler with a 16-foot garage and the side patio. So hey, take a stroll down and pick your feet up, relax by the pool. Talk to you later.